Hi folks, this is Andre from Timesact, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can get your pre-order to, or your back in stock coming soon, doesn't really matter, get them to start at a particular time in your time zone using a combination of Timesact settings and Shopify settings. Okay, so first let's start off with the product and let's make sure that it's currently unavailable. Let's set the availability to start, I don't know, like it's 2:04 here. Let me say that it's going to start at 2:07, right? So that I can give myself some time to go over things. Okay, so this one should be starting in 3 minutes. And what you can see is that if we go to the website, right, you're not going to see it on the catalog pages. And also, if I choose to add it into Timesact, which I will need to in order to have the pre-order active when the product becomes available. So I'm going to select the blue silk tuxedo. Then I'm going to hit next. I'll just say regardless of stock levels, give it a shipping date so that it looks okay. And I'm going to let it start just now. And I will show you why, because now that I've saved it, if I actually try to preview it on my website, it's just going to take me to that 404 page not found because the product is unavailable. But it's ready to become available when we actually get to that particular moment, right? So now it's going to wait until it becomes 2:07. Currently it's 2:05. And I'm going to pause the video and come back to it at 2:07. And at 2:07, we're going to see it directly on the website and with the pre-order option activated. So everything is prepared now for the launch. And you can think about this like in terms of maybe like a product drop that you want to do in case you want to be super specific with that time. So let me just pause this for a minute and then come back to you. Okay, it is 2:07 now. A minute has passed, and now I'm just going to refresh this page to see it once it becomes active in Shopify. And as you can see now, I can see that it's live on the online store. And now if we are to go to the old preview link and refresh this page, we should be seeing the product. And there we go, there it is. And there is the pre-order option on it. And you can see I can add it to my cart. And if I go to my collection page, I can see it in here as well with the ribbon and all of the options. So that is how you can do a product drop at a specific time using Timesact and Shopify. Hope this helps. Thank you.